Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so nothing blocks you. Install Vscode and Git, then run Git version to verify. Next, sign into GitHub and set Git config user, name and user. Email so commits attribute correctly. Open your project folder in Vscode and enable the built-in Git extension. This provides the source control view. Once done, use the command palette to initialize a repository or clone an existing one. This starts the link between local and remote. You now authenticate and connect the repo. Choose HTTPS with a personal access token for simplicity, or generate an SSH key pair for passwordless pushes. Both are secure. In Vscode, use clone repository or source control play button publish to GitHub to create the remote. If you prefer terminal control, run git remote add origin repo URL and then git push origin main or master. Make sure to set branch tracking so future git push and pull operations sync automatically. You finish by establishing a routine, commit locally, write descriptive messages, and push to keep GitHub updated. Use feature branches, git checkout bfeature/size to isolate work, then open a pull request to merge. This maintains a clean history. If something goes wrong, first run git status and git remote v to inspect state. Ensure your PAT hasn't expired or the SSH agent is running. Once fixed, pull latest changes, resolve conflicts, and push. This completes the link and keeps collaboration smooth.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.